Hi everyone, my name is Deepak Deshmukh. I am a motivational speaker. Today I am going to share with you amazing these 7 beliefs that will change your life forever. If you believe these 7 beliefs will change your life, it's possible. You will change your life forever. Let's begin without any wasting time. First belief is I decide how I feel, no matter the circumstances. Yes, it doesn't matter how the difficulties coming in your way. It doesn't matter how many obstacles coming in your way. You have to decide how to respond to that difficulties, that situations, that circumstances in your life. Everything will be hard if you have goal and vision to do something in your life. There must be lots of required hard work and there are lots of obstacles, setbacks, defeats, but it doesn't matter how circumstances are. If you decide how do you feel, that is your feeling. If you feel in bad situation good, you will feel good. If you feel good situation bad, that is your response. So it's depend on you, it's your choice how you choose from that situation. If you have a bad difficulties, bad situations, but you can take lessons from that situations, from that experience and go ahead. That is I want to tell you today. Make sure that circumstances doesn't matter. Everything happens for good. So it's your hand how do you want to feel about that circumstances and took lesson from that circumstances and go ahead. Number 2, I have so much to be thankful. Yes, it is an amazing, marvelous belief that you can build right now. Right now you can think about everything that you have to be grateful, that have to be thankful in this moment, in the present moment. You are alive. You have to thank for God for because you are alive people. Most of the people they don't think about it. They just live life as a as others' opinion. They don't like what they are doing. But if you want to make legacy or live life extraordinary, you have to build this belief right now. If you don't have anything, make sure to thankful for because of you are breathing right now. What you have, just close your eyes and remember what you have right now and be thankful, very much thankful for what you have already. This belief make you most happy in the present moment. Happy people, they are great people because they understand the importance of gratefulness, importance of thankfulness. You have to be know that importance. So don't act like a majority. Be a minority. If you change your thoughts and beliefs, you can change your life. You if you change your look at the things will change look at. So this is the belief of number 2. Go ahead. And here is number 3, being myself. Yes, be yourself fully in the present moment. You don't have to or like act others. Most of the people are telling, they have been telling with you that you have to do this or you have to do this. You don't have to do this. No, make sure to use your common sense. And what do you want for your life? Ask questions to yourself every morning. Write down these answers in your page, in your notebook, and read loudly every day. You will get massive results in your life and in your future. So here Be yourself fully. You don't have to feed with another's opinions. You don't have to show your statuses or like this. Just be yourself. And if you be yourself, that is your uniqueness. You don't need to be act like others. You have unique fingerprints, that is you have unique brain, unique potential, unique abilities. Use that abilities, creative new things, and that will enhance your communication skills and lead this world positively. And here is number 4. I am capable of anything. Yes, do you have dream? Yes, I know you have a dream. And if you think about like that, I I don't capable of my dream. I won't do this. No, you can do this. You have the capacity to do all the things, and you have hidden in yourself greatness within you right now. Just you have to know that you have greatness within yourself. You have dreams, and you can fulfill your dreams by just not saying I am capable of anything, but by saying this, it's build an attitude like that. So I can do anything and everything about my dream, and I have a plan, and I go for it. I am going for it, and I just want to fulfill my dreams. And most of the people, they say I can't do this, because maybe they are not saying loudly, but in the mind they are saying like that, I can't do this, I am not capable of this. But I am here to telling you that you can do anything, you can make anything possible. So make sure to go for it. Number 5. Kindness always wins. Yes, you have heard right. If you think kindness is a weakness, I have to say that you are wrong, because kindness has the power to be connection with anybody. If you kind, if you give kindness to other, kindness will return back to you. So make sure to be kind in your life, in every circumstances, in every person will you be with that person. Be kind with that person. And it is the gift for God given us to kind somebody else, and if you will make deep connection with that person, and that is the point I want to share here. Kindness is always wins. So everything you want to achieve, make sure to that path with kindness, because forcefully you can't get anything. If you get something, you will regret in the future, but if you get something with kindness, you will be happy forever. Number 6. I have so much to offer. Most of the people, they think I don't have anything to give to anybody, but you have kindness, you have compassion, that you can give, you can help others by doing anything. So you don't have to be so rich, or you don't have to be a millionaire, billionaire to help others, but you have to think like that. Here I am a human being, and I have to help others. Just believe that if you are maybe your past with very difficulties, and believe that it is grateful for me. Believe that it's a big reason for it, and it will grow myself in the future or in next level. So think like that and believe that I have so much to offer. Think right now, how can I give others right now? Don't think how can I get, but think how can I give others. And if you are giving things to others, you will getting, and taking things will in the future. So instead of thinking what can I get, think what can I give. That is the belief you have to build here. And here is the last belief that you can build here. My best is yet to come. Yes, if you believe your best is yet to come, think what will happen in your life. If you achieve something, you then said, my best is yet to come. That you can go ahead. Then you will say, my best is yet to come. Then you will go ahead. And you can go far away from the naysayers and haters. You have to make believe that your best is yet to come. Your best is yet to come. Say in the morning, front of the mirror, my best is yet to come. And I have to do something new for my best. And that is here I want to tell you from this video, and adapt these 7 beliefs, and I give guarantee these 7 beliefs will change your life forever. You will be happy forever. So take care. Bye bye.